OMG, take 5. Hello. Okay, we are going with a light and fun topic today, and that is training your TikTok. And you might be able to say this about Instagram as well. I personally have had better results trying to do this on TikTok. You can try it in either place. So, you've heard of the algorithm, and I almost say that with air quotes because it's almost like we're speaking of this kind of hidden monster that we don't understand that has power over us. But yes, there is an algorithm. TikTok has a particularly powerful one that is behind the scenes looking at what we're looking at and giving us more content that it thinks that we'll like. So the reason I actually think maybe it's a good thing that TikTok has this powerful algorithm is I love comedy. I love to laugh. It's so healthy. We've done episodes on this. There is another one coming up that's going to be cool about laughter. Well, more than one, really. Stay tuned. And so there's a lot of comedy on TikTok. There's a lot of stand-up comedians that are putting little snatches of their shows. There are, from the late night shows, interviews and stand-up routines that they do on those shows. All of those are on TikTok. And I can now open my TikTok and it feeds me things that make me laugh. And I go to the next, things that make me laugh. And I go to the next, things that make me laugh. And it is awesome. And that's what I wanted it to do. Maybe for you, it's cooking. Maybe you want to go on your TikTok and you want to see how to make something new and then how to make something new and how to make something new. So when you're in there and you're in the For You part, this is what we mean. You can train it to give you what you want. Now, will it be perfect? Of course not. Will it still give you ads? Of course it will, right? This is a for-profit business. However, you can train it. So here's what you want to do. When you find something on TikTok and maybe you happen upon it as you're looking through, maybe you search it, doesn't matter which way you got there. If it's something that you like, that you would like to see more of, make sure you watch the whole thing all the way through, whatever the length of that reel or video was, and then go ahead and like it. You can follow that account if you want. It doesn't matter whether you follow that account. I mean, it might in the algorithm matter, but if you like the post and you watch it all the way through and you very specifically do that for anything you see that you like, and when something comes up, if it's not really exactly what you want to see on your feed as often, make sure you do the opposite. You flip up right past that as fast as you can, and you don't like that one. And this is not a judgment for or against any particular content, but I think in our lives, wouldn't it be cool if your social media could be a source of entertainment or a source of happiness for you? And it could be you take a break from work or whatever you're doing, and you go and you check out something that you really are interested in, and it gives you a bunch of new ideas, and it's really a positive experience. That's what I'm trying to build my TikTok into, and there is so much out there, but I really don't see anything except these things that make me laugh, and that is a fantastic experience. So give it a try. Find me on social media and tell me if you think it works. And I will see you again soon.